Welcome back to Zeno Page Builder. Today we are going to learn how to use the post lead element. The post lead element is only available for the Shopify version. It allows you to show all the blog posts from a blog in your store. To manage the blog in Shopify admin, go to blog post, click on manage blogs. And I have a blog here. And I have some blog posts which are assigned to this blog. In Zeno Builder, I will insert a post lead element into the page and choose the blog to show. You can see the blog post appear like this. By default, the post lead element has some mini elements inside: a blog image, blog title, blog summary, and blog read more. I can insert other mini elements inside. Let's say I want to insert a blog meta element right here, and it automatically applies to other blog posts. Then for this blog meta element, I will disable tags. And you see it also applies to other blog posts as well. So to make any change to the blog post, you can just make change to the first blog post and it will apply to the entire post lead element. Let's walk through the options, the post list element. First we have blog option that we can select the blog to show. Then we have post number, so we can select how many blog posts to show. We can change, for example, to 3 blog posts, and you see only 3 blog posts are showing. And we can adjust columns per row. By default, there are 4 columns on desktop, 2 columns on tablet, and 1 column on mobile. Let's say I will change to 3 columns on desktop, and you see I can adjust the column gap. And down here, I can adjust padding and margin like this. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on mastering Zeno Page Builder.